If you want to set up or change the emergency contacts, whether they're on your iPhone or on your Apple Watch, so that they know who to call and who to contact, I'll show you exactly how to do it. Now, we can do both on your iPhone as well as your Apple Watch directly on your iPhone. So we only need your iPhone to do this. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll down, and tap on Emergency SOS. From here, scroll down again, and under Emergency Contacts, tap on Edit Emergency Contacts in Health. From here, scroll down, and under Emergency Contacts, you can see I have my spouse Haley and my brother Tyler here. I can always tap on them to edit them or to call them. And I can also tap on Edit to the right of here, and I can choose to delete these out by tapping on the little minus or tap the green plus to change and add a new emergency contact. Now, let's say you also want to add it for your Apple Watch, just in case you fall or something like that. So we're going to do that as well. So we've set it in your iPhone. Take your finger and swipe down, and we're going to just type in watch and open up the Apple Watch app on your iPhone. Scroll down from here, tap on Emergency SOS, scroll down again, and here's Emergency Contacts, the same people. Tap on Edit Contacts in Health, and it will bring up a similar screen if you've chosen to sync this up. Again, I have my spouse Haley and my brother Tyler. I can always delete them by tapping the red or just tapping the plus and adding an emergency contact just by tapping their name and choosing their relation to me. And now you have set up that emergency contact for anybody to call. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.